Hey everyone, good morning. Well, today we have a fun one. Today we're going to be gearing up to ride up to Eastern Oregon to the Giant Loop Rally on this 2026 KTM 1390 Super Adventure R. Who's ready to ride? Today's episode of Garage Talk is supported by Cardo Systems and its PackTalk Edge Bluetooth communicator. The PackTalk Edge is an affordable Bluetooth communicator that easily pairs with your Android or iOS powered smartphone and allows you to communicate with other riders when you're riding on the road or trail. You can also listen to music, get turn-by-turn directions, and access features of your smartphone while you're riding. Now back to the episode. All right, everyone, there it is, KTM's 2026 1390 Super Adventure R. This is KTM's top-of-the-range adventure touring bike for all you bike riders out there who want to go fast and far. Now, this bike's powered by a now 1350cc 75-degree V-twin engine. LC8 is what KTM says. Liquid-cooled with dual 4-valve cylinder heads, so 8 valves in total. KTM's been manufacturing this engine for quite a while, and this 1350 is a giant displacement. It also benefits actuated clutch, a 6-speed transmission, and chain final drive. Now, KTM says this thing makes a whopping 170 horsepower, but expect more like 125, 130 at the tire. Now, this thing rolls on a steel frame that's been modified to handle the extra power of this engine. It's also worth noting that this engine now has dual camshaft profiles, so the camshaft will move between low RPM camshaft profile and high RPM camshaft profile to give you the best of both worlds. Better torque and fuel economy at low RPMs and that high revving, punchy top end that we love on other motorcycles. So that's really cool that this bike has that now. It also has a ton of electronics. Look at that pretty face. And here is the display. Look at that thing. I'd say, look how big this thing is. It's a vertical TFT touchscreen. Here is the switchgear, nice and chunky. Of course, we have global ride modes. We have the ability to tailor engine brake, traction control, slide control. KTM calls it slip control. We also have cruise control. Everything's backlit, nice and chunky. Here's a mount for GPS. This motorcycle has the tech pack, which includes the electronic quick shifter and the ability to adjust a lot of those parameters and to have that slide control. Of course, we roll on a 21-inch front and 18-inch rear center spoke wheels with Brembo brakes. A big, chunky 2-piston rear caliper for all of you folks out there who want a nice, big, strong back brake. Suspension-wise, we have 9.4 inches of travel front and back. This fork is one of the forks where it has separate damping functions. So rebound is on the right and compression is on the left. You can adjust the rebound and compression damping without tools with those automatic adjusters out there. And then we have 3 preload settings which you can use to adjust the preload in 3 global settings on the fork. That's pretty cool. Of course, there's the shock. The shock mounts directly between the swing arm and the frame without a linkage. And there's an hydraulic adjustment lever. I think it's on this side, so you can adjust the preload while you're, oh, here it is right there. A nice preload knob, which you can do to adjust the ride height while you're riding. Of course, we have a center stand too to ease maintenance chores. Look at those nice chunky foot pegs. This particular 1390 Super Adventure is also equipped with a tall KTM Power Parts seat. Here's some of our doodads we have. We have our Fox V3 RS helmet and some tire plugs and kits and stuff like that. Here's where you put the key, and here's a USB socket to charge your phone and your gadgets while you're riding. Another cool feature is this 6.1 gallon fuel tank. A lot of fuel capacity. A lot of bikes have small fuel capacity. This has big fuel capacity, which we really like. And then the ability to adjust the windscreen manually by hand. Now, with a full 6 gallons of fuel, this motorcycle weighs in at 546 pounds. 546 pounds, so no featherweight, but you get a lot of bike for your money. Now, this particular machine retails for $22,700, but then you add the tech pack, which is another $900. This machine is $23,599 minus that tall KTM Power Parts rally seat. Well, everyone, what do you think? That's a quick Garage Talk episode on the 2026 1390 Super Adventure R. We're gearing up. We're going to saddle up on this thing and ride this thing to the Giant Loop Rally in Eastern Oregon. Okay, we're not gonna ride the entire way. We're gonna ride some of it. Then we're gonna load the bike in the van and then take the van all the way up there. So stay tuned for more posts. We're gonna do a lot of reviews on this bike. We're gonna give you a little synopsis of what this thing is to ride for real adventure riders, not some lame posers. All right, as always, make sure to surf on over to moto-1.com for all your motorcycle news. We're the fastest growing US motorcycle magazine out there, and we'll see you on the road in the next episode.